Hey, my name is Xbox Dragon God, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a dart airplane. This will be the only video on how to make. I will be doing other videos soon, like gaming, vlogging, mostly reactions. So, so I'm just starting out on YouTube, and you should know from my YouTube name. You already know my YouTube. So anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dart. And check out my friend's YouTube channel. Subscribe to me and subscribe to him. His name is Awesome Law Ninja. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this, as I already said. So let's begin. First, what you want to do is take inside, left side you want, wrong side, this side, whatever. But we're going to be using this side. And what you're going to be doing is a hot dog fold. Make sure it's perfectly lined up. And then put it, and then you crease it down. To get it all the way creased, you might want to use your fingernails and run it around the back like this. So that it's creased nice and good. You want to open it up again and fold the right flap down to the middle of the crease. And again, if you want, you can use your fingernails to crease it more. If you don't want to, that's fine. And then you do the same thing with the other side. Now you can pause the video if I'm being too fast for you. So then do the same thing to the other side. And then again, if you want to do it, just crease. So then after you crease it, you want to flip it. Well, not flip it, crease it again like this. Make sure it's on the line. And crease it. Now mine's might not be the most perfect. Well, not symmetrical, but it still flies good. And the same thing with the other side. Sorry if my voice sounds raspy. Hold on. Is that better? Yep. Alright. So now you fold the other side. And I've kind of already explained to you what my YouTube channel is going to be about. I said I'm not making any more how-to videos, but I might. But until I figure out how to get my stuff to work for my Xbox, I will not be uploading any gaming videos. Well, I will, but not at this moment. Not from my Xbox, like GTA. Gonna do that. World War II, Black Ops 3. And I know GTA is an old game. But you know, some people can still enjoy it. Personally, it's my favorite game ever. And so there we go. And I might be doing vlogs. Well, I'll be trying to do vlogs. But nothing really fancy is going on in my life. And so yeah, but look forward to that in the near future. I'm a noob at this type of programming and stuff, so I'm still trying to find out how to put my intro into my videos. And reaction videos. You will see me posting more of those than anything. So I'm gonna be a multi-channel kind of deal. So I hope you all like my videos that I have made so far. Not very exciting, but as you know, I do have 5 subscribers. That's good for me. May not be as big as right now, but the biggest people don't start off like that. And I will finish. There you go. Here's a dart. And if you want, I'm gonna do mine like this. You can fold this flap up, but as I do it, I make sure the flap is up to this top point. Make sure it doesn't overlap the top of it. That's what I always say. So then you have the flap. And this really does nothing to it. Just makes it look cooler. If you want, you can, color it and stuff. But do not do it with marker. I have did it before. I mean, it doesn't affect it or anything. But it makes it the paper gets a little bit wet white. And even if you want to, you can just fold these like this, or fold them again like this. So yeah, you can fold one up, you can fold one down, whatever kind of style you like to do. I mean, this is your airplane after all. So does you like? But your airplane is not always going to be symmetrical. It will still fly, but it's not going to be symmetrical. See? And the lighting is good. Well, kind of too bright for me, but yeah. There you go. There you have it. And also one more thing. Some people, they take the tip, they push it back like this. Make sure it's flexible. Push the edge back like that. So now it's not a sharp tip. As you can see, it's not that sharp. And there you have it. You can put people in there, whatever you want to do. But if you want to do something like that, like put paper men, you could use this sort of thing. But if you're like a kid and you want to put army men in it, then you will probably need a heavier type of paper to support it. Because I've tried that with this type of paper, which is notebook paper. And let me tell you, it does not work. So that's it for today's video. And I'm going to try to upload a reaction video today. And if you're wondering, just because for some reason this is what I look like. I know I look handsome, right? Not just playing. Seriously though, check out my other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please. That will mean so much to me. And like I was telling my brother the other day, when people on YouTube say they're thankful for you, that's not just an act that they put on. It's really what they think. Because like people like Vanoss Gaming, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, H2O Delirious, Markiplier, and especially PewDiePie. I want to say they're rich like that, but Logan Paul and Jake Paul, yeah. they all love to have you there. You support them, you help them make a living, they entertain you with videos. I'm just saying, it's a mutual thing. You get entertained, and yeah, they can buy stuff to entertain you with. Sometimes they fly people out, but not Vanoss Gaming, and uh, just to vlog people, not Vanoss Gaming and all of them. So, and those are just a few people that inspired me, especially Vanoss Gaming. He inspired me to be what I want to be. So I want to be a gaming channel. But then I started watching Jake Paul and Logan Paul. And I thought to myself, what if I could be all types of channels? So Vanoss Gaming, shout out to his channel, is my inspiration for being a gaming channel. Logan Paul, Jake Paul, my inspiration for being a vlog channel. And reactions, can't say that I know any by heart. It's just something I'm interested in. And if you're planning on starting a YouTube channel, make sure it's something that you're interested in. Interested in. I can't speak today. Sorry. So if you love gaming, do that. Do gaming. Like for me, I've been procrastinating, and I said it's enough. It's time for me to get this YouTube channel started. As you see, I'm right here. Not big yet, but who cares? I got my followers. 5 is enough for me. If people want to add on, then they will add on. So, my message for today is do you be everything that you can. Don't procrastinate on nothing. Do what you love on YouTube if you start a YouTube video or just life in general. So, the face I'm making, you're probably like, what the heck is wrong with this boy? But don't be alarmed. Anyway, so do you, be you. Never let anybody bully you. Alright? And stay true to yourself. So, with that, I will say, how do they say it? Hasta luego? I think. Don't know much Spanish, but I'll give it a try. And I think our name would be. I don't know. I have to think of a good one. But I know what my outro is gonna be. And here it comes. Here it comes. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? It's gonna be awesome. Oh my god, it's gonna be time. It's gonna be like Superman flying into space. Whoa! So this is me logging out. And remember, kids are gods. See you.